Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a throwback from the birthday series. This is one I wanted to see. I kind of wanted the whole collection, but wasn't able to find them. I ordered this one online. This one is the rainbow cake. I have mostly all of these. The only other one that I really wanted was the Dino cake. I didn't get that one yet. But this one's cool because you put this around the table. Kind of decorated a little bit. We have the icing rings that go on it. Ooh, those are pretty. The happy birthday thing, which is bent. Hopefully we'll be able to straighten that out. The cake, which is blue and pink, that's super cute. Love that. I might actually, in the middle of unboxing this, make sure that that fits in there. I wonder if it sits in there a while, if it'll straighten out. I'll look at that in a minute. Ooh, is that bent too? Kind of, only if you're really staring at it. I did see that they give you tub icing. I hate tub icing. I wish it was in a little squirt bottle. But it shows doing the streamers first around the table. So I'll clean up and we'll come back to do that. So I did stick this in there. Still a little crooked, but you can't really tell. But one thing I did notice that was interesting, they don't have you putting the icing on the top. Normally we cover the whole thing in icing and then put this through. So it's one cured piece. It doesn't look like it's going to be like that. I guess you can do that if you wanted to, but according to their picture, it's not like that. So I wonder if I should leave this. Well, I guess I can't. I was about to say leave it on here so I can roll it as I go. I mean, maybe I can. I don't know. Is that making it easier or harder? About to find out. Let's see. Trying to hold tension on it. I think it's okay to take the rust off now that we have it started. Not as bad as I thought it would be. Maybe I should wait to say that until it's done though. Okay, almost done. Yeah, not bad. It lines up perfectly. Okay, that's cute. Jazzes up a table, that's for sure. So step one, complete. Step two, it shows you icing the whole thing at once. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do the bottom half, cure it, then do the top half. That's what I've always done in the past so I can hold it better. I just want to see how these, oh my gosh, I love that. The three colors. Very pretty. So obviously you want it all around that side, and then they have it dripping a little. So I will try my best. Even though I don't have a nozzle, I have a spatula. It is thick though. I'm not sure how well it's gonna run. I think you're gonna really have to guide it, which is fine. Is really thick. I'm just going to go around and put that thin layer at the base. I guess I don't want it too thick. They show it very yellow though in the picture. So maybe it's supposed to be. I guess you could do a thin layer, cure it, then put on another layer, but I want mine to be pretty smooth on there. Plus I think a lot of that's gonna get covered with the little ribbon that's going around. I don't like how this is looking. Might have to build it up. Let's put the ring on it and see if that squishes it down or if it does anything. Oop, just stuck my finger in it. Doesn't do much. I'm gonna get a Q-tip and clean that off. I don't know that I want that there. I guess I can use my toothpick. That worked nicely. And I might go cure it and then I could work on the sides a little. Kind of feel like I shouldn't have dripped it at all. I don't like how that looks. It looks sloppy. Theirs looks super yellow and thick, and mine not so much. Yeah, they must have put, it doesn't look real on the picture. Maybe they built up extra layers. Maybe I'll cure this and then we'll try to put an extra layer over it and see if that helps it darken up. We'll find out in a moment. Okay, so I have it cured. Let's do some over the area we just did to see how that looks. I don't think it really helps pigment wise. I mean a little bit, but I personally don't think I like it, but since it's already on there, I'm gonna have to kind of go with it. And again, I wish they gave us a nozzle so it would look cleaner. Just gonna make little areas that dip down and then go back up. I think it'll look fine if I just kind of keep with that little wave motion. Okay, I did that second layer. I did take a toothpick and try to kind of guide it. I'm still not in love with it. It's not very smooth. It's a little lumpy. It's just not the nice runny resin. So kind of regret dripping it. I think for the second layer, I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I'm gonna put resin all on the top and I'm going to add the ring and this and just probably do one layer. Maybe just make it thick and then leave this open so you can see the pink. I think that's gonna look best because there's not much room to drip here. And yeah, so let's see. There's not too much resin in here that's left. So let's see if I can put it on thick like that. I think that'll be pretty good. And you'll definitely have to leave me comments on how you did it if you got this one. I always like hearing your suggestions. They're always so good. And follow me on Facebook if you're not already. I think you can maybe post pictures to my page so I can see your versions and how it turned out and all that fun stuff. Totally do that. I love seeing how others did it. This is a pretty thick layer. I think that looks cool though. It's maybe not too even. think that's about as smooth as it's gonna get. Okay, let's try to drop the ring on there, and I could kinda, I think the hole is over there for this. That's the only difficult part. It's like, you gotta go search for it. Ooh, am I that lucky? All right, didn't have to dig around or squish it. Cool. All right, so I'm going to cure that, and I probably could add extra in there if I need to. And I might do that to make it more yellow, but we'll see. We'll start with this first. Here's the final product. I do like the thickness of the icing and how you can kind of see it there. But I don't know, it's like, should I go back and drip it down here? And part of me thinks it'd be okay, part of me is like, don't do it. So I'll probably leave it like that for now. But leave me your thoughts below. Should I drip it or should I just leave it as it is? What did you guys do? Out of the series, I don't know, I guess I give it like a 7. I liked a lot of the other ones way better, I think. But yeah, all I need left for the series is that Dino cake, so I might order that, try to find on eBay. But yeah, I do have a few more of the made from scratch. I ordered like 10 of them, got all duplicates except for 2. So I will be making some cookies and some cupcakes and some more stuff from there. But thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.